Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to convert photos to PDFs on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 using just your native gallery application. So first of all, you're gonna have to open it. So find it on your home screen and enter. Tap the three stripes icon to open the menu, and then tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll a bit down, actually to the very bottom of this menu, and open About Gallery. Here you're gonna have to tap the version multiple times until you see Gallery Labs is enabled message on your screen. Now if you go back to settings, you'll be able to notice the Gallery Labs tab at the very bottom of the list, and if you go right here, you'll be able to turn on the Save as PDF feature simply by switching the toggle on next to it. Also, I recommend getting to know with the rest of the cool features you can find in this menu. Now, in order to create a PDF, you're gonna have to select several photos in your gallery and tap Create and select Save as PDF. Then select the order, so default order or reverse order, and wait until your PDF is created. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.